Hello guys, we are in front of St. Peter's Square. Yes, in Vatican City. Here in Rome. Look at that at my back. We have the fountain. This is both sides. Also the other side, there's a fountain over there. Okay. So nice and beautiful here. This is the Colonna of Architect Bernini. Yes, in preparation for L'Angelus for tomorrow morning by Pope His Holiness Pope Leo Francis 14. Sharing the beauty of this